Hello, and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing ADA news. We're giving away 1,000 ADA to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment Cardano is king and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Cardano has lately created a stablecoin, creating buzz. One of the elements driving the ADA price upward in the first few months of 2023 was Gen. The stunning revelation of Hoskinson's new medical facility accepting ADA as payment may have contributed to the crazy increase. But as was to be predicted, the gains collapsed. However, the reality is that Cardano ADA requires a push in the right direction. And it appears that a significant upgrade that will fit this story will occur on Valentine's Day. ADA is about to receive an amazing display of affection. Top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum had an unexpected following in the cryptocurrency market during the launch of the European market. Price drops of almost 2% gains were lost in a matter of hours. Well, altcoins also could not avoid the awful fall, so they did likewise. The crypto market saw a general correction as a result of this fall. It will be interesting to see what the network has to offer to make up for its losses thus far, with Cardano serving as a key focus. The stablecoin GID's introduction a few weeks ago was eagerly anticipated. The burgeoning decentralized finance sector of the Cardano ecosystem is anticipated to experience additional growth and use cases as a result of the stablecoin. The JED developer Kadi network kept the neighborhood up to date on the stablecoin's progress. To put an end to the conjecture, it is important to know how far the Jin launch preparations, which were announced in November 2022, have come. We are delighted to offer another update regarding JET's progress and to let you know that the launch is expected for next week. Katie wrote in a blog post confirming the launch of the stablecoin. Cody also said that JED and Shin are listed on the cryptocurrency exchange, which is true. JED's sixth partner and Wing writers hinted on Twitter that another significant announcement was on the way. The Karate team allayed everyone's concerns regarding only technological advancements, and while they were still there, they began the chain index synchronization process. We started syncing a week ago, and although the procedure may take 14 days, we anticipate finishing it next week and being prepared for launch. This was the sole technical issue delaying the debut of Kakao as of right now. The business was also developing the user interface and snapshot mechanism that will enable tracking of the extra benefits for Shin holders who deposit and stack ADA into the GID smart contract. Because the stable currency has been lacking from the Cardano ecosystem up until now, and because stable coins are crucial for implementing strategies and lowering fees, notably in the field of DeFi, there was a lot of expectation surrounding the stable coin's arrival. Finally, one of the most recent Cardano improvements that has everyone talking in the Cardano network is the JED algorithmic stablecoin. Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, previously declared that side chains made specifically for the ecosystem will allow it to grow. The networks within the ecosystems are still developing. The ADA has not been overlooked. The Cardano-backed stablecoin has now entered the main internet. These are only the first of many wonderful reports. Recent investigations, however, have demonstrated that the package is more complex than merely a flashy wrap. And guess what? Cardano's upcoming upgrade is anticipated to occur around February 20th, 2023. The impending hard fork, according to the developers, would provide additional built-in features to Plutus, the Cardano blockchain's smart contract programming language. According to a tweet from Cardano's Yoda on January 26th, the new patch will make it easier for developers to create cross-chain applications by revealing support for the ECDSA and the Schmore cryptographic signatures. The CIPS 0049 hard fork event, which will take place in February, will improve Cardano's compatibility with other blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. A program that can validate ECDSA and Schnorr cryptographic signatures against cryptographic signature algorithms can be created by Plutus developers. Different blockchains, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, use ECDSA and Schnorr signatures. Cardano employs the It Was curved digital signature algorithm, which is fast, secure, and compact. The ECDSA and Schnurr signatures cannot be compared to this signature. The forthcoming change is similar to raising one's level of performance. Developers will find it simpler to work with other blockchains thanks to this improvement. The new built-in features that Plutus will provide will enable the new signatures by improving interoperability and facilitating secure cross-chain DAP development. The highest level of security that the entire ecosystem has been preparing for a while will be ensured, and it will also make it simple for programmers to construct cross-chain apps. Integration testing proved successful. Additionally, the required new node is executing on more than 80% of the block-producing nodes. The Cardano mainnet can almost immediately use this improvement. Exchanges have already been informed of the impending change, and DAP developers have been polled to ensure compatibility. As previously stated, the upgrade is anticipated to take place on February 20th, 2023. Right now will undoubtedly be the ideal time. To make it simpler for developers to create cross-chain apps, Cardano developers will receive extra support for Plutus decentralized app developers. According to developers, the majority of projects won't be impacted by this upgrade. Input-output cations. Thanks to a change made by Global, Plutus now includes a built-in feature that supports ECDSA and Schnurr signatures. Because of this, Cardano will be able to support additional signature designs or thresholds natively, offering the maximum level of security that the developer has stated. Do you recall the Cardano major vessel hard fork that occurred in September 2022? However, the price of ADA fell rather than rose due to the high level of bullish expectations and targets. The value of the coin fell by 9.5%. A few days after the mainnet's successful update, the catastrophic news from the Fed had a greater impact. At the time, it was trading for 43 cents. Investors are constantly worried about how the price will respond to Cardano updates, despite the fact that they always have a hot atmosphere. Although it's unclear at the moment if ADA will respond favorably, the upgrade is expected to significantly improve the Cardano ecosystem and market perception of Cardano's CIP49. The compatibility and simplicity of developing it as Plutus is a significant enhancement because it is a strong bullish indication. And it is so clear that Cardano is taking all reasonable precautions to safeguard both the long-term survival and usefulness of his blockchain and currency. Compared to other significant blockchains, since December 2021, Cardano has experienced the highest development engagement among all blockchains on GitHub. The ADA community gains hope that cryptocurrency prices will rise as a result. Charles Hoskinson recently bragged that planned upgrades to the Cardano network would result in even bigger benefits. He claims that the MBO and the forthcoming CRP1684 will strengthen the Cardano community. The CRP1684 update is the cornerstone of a decentralized decision-making system and a software engineering lead on IOG. Jared Corduan has proposed adoption in a vote in November 2022. Millions of people will also be applauding the growth and usage of ADA thanks to the voluntary upgrade. A seamless transition to a fully decentralized governance structure is what the CIP intends to achieve. Charles Hoskinson has already emphasized that the cryptocurrency industry will set the pace for the implementation of decentralized blockchain administration. Additionally, a survey compiled 2014 data and found that during this time, e-commerce stores received 2.5 million Bitcoin payments. As a result, these online stores receive an average of 312,500 crypto payments per year. In that regard, the prior year broke the previous record by achieving more than 3 times this amount. Online merchants observed 927,700 transactions using Nance currency, Ethereum, Tether, and Bitcoin. In fact, the survey claims that despite the severity of a persistent bear market, consumers may still go on buying binges when they are in emerging nations. Contrarily, merchant turnover has surged by an astounding 60% in 2022 compared to the previous year, when the crypto markets peaked. Bitcoin continues to rule the current crypto payment market, accounting for about 48% of all transactions. This indicator dropped 7.6% in 2021 and is extremely vulnerable to additional declines, making it possible for altcoins like Cardano ADA to take control. Currently, Tron and Ethereum account for nearly 20% of all completed cryptocurrency transactions, with Cardano making up just 1.1% of all total transactions. However, the industry is susceptible to change as more consumers accept cryptocurrency payments in the future. More recently, the newfound optimism in the cryptocurrency market has benefited Cardano ADA. According to CoinGecko data, the token increased by more than 58% over the course of a month. This was brought on by a number of internal and external changes that affected the Cardano ecosystem as well as the whole crypto industry, including the expectation of impending ones. The bulk of cryptos has profited from the current boom in the cryptocurrency market. When the bears made their way through 2022, Cardano was there to make up for lost ground. If the rally does not fizzle out soon, Donald might also use it to his advantage. Moreover, a dramatic turnabout is currently anticipated. Additionally, Cardano ADA might be your ideal match if you're looking for a coin to fall in love with on Valentine's Day. Of course, what do you think about this? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Before then, look out for our past films to see how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. We'll see you in the next video. Remember to always click that subscribe, notification buttons.